Okay. As I was marking the papers, I noticed that people have a challenges with doing fractions with different denominators. So we are going to learn about fractions with different denominators, okay? Fractions with different denominators, okay? How do we work out fractions with different denominators? Who can identify a denominator from my chart here? Anyone who can identify a denominator from my chart? Anyone who can identify a denominator from my chart here? I have 1/2 plus 1/3. Anyone who can identify a chart here? Anyone who can identify a denominator here? Yes, Justin?
3.
3 from 1/3, yes. Another denominator? Michaela, unlock your video. TC, unlock your video. Yes, Justin, another denominator?
2.
And 2. Okay, welcome Takuzwa. We are learning fractions with different denominators. Okay, all right. Let's check down. How do we work out these sums? I have put my working in terms of steps. So can you take down the notes? Step 1, you check the denominator. That is your step 1. Can you take the notes down? Step 1, you check the denominator. Takunda, can you write down the notes? Step 1, you check the denominator. This is your first step. So you have to check whether these denominators, are they the same or they are different? The moment you see that they are different, you know that you are now starting to follow these steps that we are going to make today. So we check the denominator. This is our first step. Second step, we find the LCM. The second step, find LCM, which is, what does LCM stand for? What does LCM stand for? Anyone who knows what LCM stands for? What does LCM stand for? Akuta, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What does LCM stand for? I have capital letter LCM because that is your step 2. Takunda, your hand is up.
Lowest terms. Lowest common multiples.
Thank you. Lowest common multiples. Thank you. That is correct. That is your step 2. You find the LCM. Takunda said it is the lowest common multiple. That is our second stage. So it stands for lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple, it must not leave a remainder. Okay? So this lowest common multiple, you must make sure that the denominators, they divide into the lowest common multiple and they don't leave a remainder. Okay? So if you have 2 and 3, the lowest common multiple is 6 because 2 can divide into 6 and does not leave a remainder, while 3 can also divide into 6 and does not leave a remainder. So your LCM must be low and it must not leave a remainder. Okay, that is the main thing when you are dividing with different denominators. Okay, and then our step 3. Our step 3 is that you divide denominators by the LCM. The step 3, you are dividing the denominators by the LCM. Firstly, you identify your denominators. Secondly, you look for the LCM. Your third stage is to divide the denominators into the LCM. Okay, that is your third stage. Divide the denominators into the LCM. Okay, that is our stage.
Yes,
okay, now we come to our stage 4. What is our stage 4? You multiply answer by the numerator. You multiply the answer by the numerator. Remember, you have divided your denominators into the LCM. Now, you multiply your answer with the numerator, because we said we're dealing with the denominators only. Now, the numerator is important as well, because the answer that you get, you have to multiply. Whether it's a 1, you multiply. If it's a 2, you multiply. If you get a 3, you multiply. Okay? Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you multiply the numerator, then you place it as the answer. Okay? So your answer that you place here, can you see the 2 there? This I have
Yes, ma'am.
divided. I have said 2 into 4, I got a 2. Then I say 2 times 1, then my answer is 2. So you can never write your answer without first multiplying with the numerator. So when you divide, your answer must multiply the numerator. That becomes your final answer there. And also, can you see there is a line there? The moment that you are dealing with fractions with different denominators, there must be a line there. This line is to help you place the LCM below and the answers there. Because now you have a common denominator, which is now the LCM. That is the one that is going to give you the correct answer. Okay? All right. So let me take
Yes,
you
ma'am.
let me take you through our sum there. I said 1/2 plus 1/4, right? My LCM is 4, because I said the number that 2 can divide into and 4 can divide into and does not leave a remainder, and this number must be low. Remember, we have 8, we have 10, we have 16, but we look for the lowest, and it must be common and it must be a multiple that both these 2 can divide into, don't leave a remainder, and that number is 4. So we divide, we say 2 into 4, we get 2. Then we say 2 times 1, the numerator. Don't forget that stage. You follow the stages. When you say 2 times 1, you get your 2. That's just your final answer. Remember, we are adding. Then you come this side, 4 into 4, your answer is 1. If a number divides itself, the answer is
1.
1 million divided by 1 million is a 1, okay? If the answer is divided itself, you get 1, okay? So we say 4 into 4, that's a 1. Then you say 1 times 1, your answer becomes a 1. Then now you say 2 plus 1, your answer is 3 over. Now your denominator is 4. The LCM becomes our common denominator. Remember, when you are adding different fractions with different denominators, it is the same as adding bananas and oranges, and you cannot add them together. So you look for a common ground for them, which is called the lowest common multiple. Maybe it's a fruit. So now you say fruits, then now you start dividing. You divide and then you get your answer. So now your answer becomes 3/4. Is there anyone who did not understand? Anyone who did not understand? Bryce, are we together? Yes, Michaela, your hand is up. Did you understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me start again. I said when we are adding 1/2 plus 1/4. Okay. So what we do is we put a line there, and then we look for the lowest common multiple. Remember our stages. Our stage 2 is we look at the denominators. They are different. So if they are different, we look for the LCM. The LCM is 4, right? I've put down the 4. Then I divide now. I say 2 into 4, or you can say 4 divided by 2, becomes 2. Then you say 2 times 1, the numerator, you get your 2. Are we together there, Michaela?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you add. You come to this side now. You say 4 into 4, or you can say 4 divided by 4, you get your 1. Okay, then you say your 1 times this 1, which is the numerator. 1 times 1, the answer is 1. There is my 1. Then I add now.
1.
2 plus 1, the answer is 3 over. Now, our new denominator is now 4, which is our LCM. So my answer becomes 3/4 there. Did you manage to understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Chakuta, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Chakuta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give you something to do on your own. Then give me the feedback. Can you add 1/5, which is 1 over 5, 1/5, 1 over 5, plus 1 over 5, plus 2 over 10, which is 2
Plus 1.
plus 2/10, 2 over 10. Can you add those together? You can take your time and then you give me your answer. 1/5 plus 2/10. Let us remember the stages. The denominators are different. Look for the LCM. Divide the denominators into the LCM multiplied by the numerator. Then you get your answer. Add.
Ma'am, is it
Yes.
1/5 plus 2/10?
Yes, 1/5 plus 2/10, correct? Takuta, your hand is up.
5.
Yes, Takuta. Okay, you are done. Okay, let's wait.
Is it 4/10?
Okay, let's wait for others to finish. Takuta is already done. So Takuta, you're going to give us the answer.
Okay,
I can see Takunda is still busy there, and Michaela. 1/5
10
plus 2/10.
5, 6, 7, 10. Is it 7 over 10?
Sorry? Let's wait.
7 over 10.
Let's wait for others.
7 over 10.
7 over 10, you can keep that one in mind. Let's wait for Michaela and Justin. They are still working out their sum so that we can see who understood the sums. Takunda, can you recheck your answer again? The answer is not 7 over 10. Please recheck your answer again. Justin, are you still there? Justin, can you hear me? Takunda, can you check your working again? Check it. Michaela, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you get, Michaela?
3 over 10.
Sorry?
3 over 10.
3 over 10, that is also incorrect. Can you check it again? Check where you are dividing there. Remember to check. You said your common denominator is 10. I'm happy that everyone got the common denominator correct. It's 10. So as you are dividing 10 divided by 5 or 5 into 10, check there. At least stage 1 and stage 2, you are doing it well. Check your stage 3 and your stage 4. That's where you are making a mistake somewhere there. Stage 3 and stage 4, where you are dividing in multiplying. Takuta, your answer. Takuta? Takuta, remove the pencil.
Yes.
Yes.
I wrote over 10, then I simplified to 2 tips.
Then you?
Okay. Come on.
I wrote over 10 and simplified to 2.
Yes, that is correct. You reduced it to its lowest terms. Yes,
Yes.
that is correct. Yes, that is correct, Takuta. Let's wait for Michaela and Takunda to work out so that we can assist them. I think they are stage 3 and stage 4. That's where they need a bit of assistance there.
5, 3, 6, 4, 8.
In the meantime, Takuta, can you add 7/8 plus 1/4? 7/8 plus 1/4?
7/8, 1/4.
Yes, 7/8 plus 1/4. Can you be doing that one in the meantime?
2 equals 4. Teacher.
Yes, Takunda.
I got 4 over 10.
4 over 10, that's correct. Did you see where you had made the mistake?
Yes.
Yes, you had made a mistake on stage 3. The lowest common multiple, you got it correct. when as you were dividing there, that's when you made a mistake, because I think you say 10 divided by 5, or you say 5 into 10, you get a 2. Then you say 2 times 1, 2, plus, then you say 10 into 10, that's 1. 1 times 2, 2. So you add 2 plus 2, you get 4 over 10. Can you reduce 4 over 10 to its lowest terms, Takunda? Remember, at our level, you're not allowed.
What?
Yes, Michaela?
I'm done, ma'am.
You're done. What did you get, Michaela?
I also got 4 over 10.
4 over 10. Did you realize where you made the mistake? When you were,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where did you make the mistake in the first place? So that you can correct yourself.
No, I forgot number 4 to multiply the answer by the numerator, then you place it at your answer.
Yes, that's good. Remember, as you are doing it and correcting yourself, even when you get such a question during an exam or somewhere, you are able to correct yourself and say, oh, by the way, when I did it the last time, I made the mistake, so now I can correct myself. Can you do 7/8 plus 1/4? Takunda, 7/8 plus 1/4. 7 over 8
7.
plus 1/4. 7 over 8 plus 1/4. Yes, Takuza, what did you get? Don't worry, Michaela, you can keep.
I don't know if it's correct, but I don't know if it's correct, but
Yes.
I wrote 9/8.
9/8. That is correct, Takuza. Can you simplify that? Because that is a mixed number. That is an improper fraction. Simplify it into a mixed number. That is correct. Simplify it into a mixed number. Michaela, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you get, Michaela?
I also got 9 over 8.
That is correct. Can you simplify 9 over 8 into a mixed number? Remember, if you see a bigger number on top of a smaller number, that means there is something that is needed to, you must simplify that number, okay? You simplify it. Can you simplify that number? And then you can give me the feedback while once you are done. I can see TC is done. Let's wait for Michaela. Are you able to simplify, Michaela?
No, ma'am.
Okay. When we are simplifying a mixed number, remember this is 9 over 8, right? It is 9 over 8. This is what we call an improper fraction, okay? There is a bigger number on top of a smaller number. So this is 9 divided by 8. That's what it means. So if you say 9 divided by 8, you get 1, remainder 1, okay? Welcome, Shadrach. And then this will be 1 and 1, the remainder over the 8 that you've divided. There you go. That's how you simplify it.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
You now understand how we simplify?
Yes, ma'am.
Shadrach, welcome. We are learning fractions with different denominators. Okay, since you are joining us, it's almost at the end. let's have one more that we're going to do before we end our meeting. Let's add 5/6 plus 2/3. 5/6 plus 2/3. If you're able to, yes, Shadrach.
It's what?
5/6. 5/6. 5 plus 2/3. Plus 2/3.
Okay.
5/6 plus 2/3. Let us follow our steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, up to step 4, as you are doing the sum. Okay, TC, let's wait for others. I'm sure they are almost done. I'm sure they are almost done. Okay, let's give Shadrach just 2 more minutes. He came in, I think we should give him a bit. Let's give him just a few more minutes. You see, you hit yourself with the pencil. Is that a pencil in your mouth? You hurt yourself. Mr. Shadrach, are you done? Okay, yes. So you can give us your answer. What did you get, Shadrach? 5/6 plus 2/3. What did you get?
1/6.
Sorry? You got?
1/6.
I cannot hear you, Shadrach.
1/6.
1/6. 1/6. Is it 1/6?
Yes.
You got 1/6. How did you come to 1/6? How did you do it? Okay, assist. Okay, I'm going to assist you, Shadrach, because Shadrach joined us in the middle. It's okay. TC, your hand was up. What did you get?
I got 9 6, and then I made it into a mixed number 1 and 3 6.
Okay, is that what you got as well, Shadrach? 9/6. Okay. No. Kayla, what did you get?
I also got 9/6, ma'am.
Okay, yes, 9/6 is correct. Let me assist Shadrach. Okay, Shadrach, we're adding 5/6 plus 2/3, okay? So when we're adding, remember Shadrach, 6 and 3, these are different denominators, right? So you put a line there, right? And then we look for the LCM. What is the LCM for 6 and 3? A number that 6 can divide into and 3 can divide into and doesn't leave a remainder. What is the LCM, the lowest common multiple for 6 and 3? 6, yes, good, Shadrach. So now we are dividing, right? We say 6 into 6, it's 1, right? Then you say 1 times the numerator, 1 times 5. What is 1 times 5?
5.
5, good. And then we add there. We come, we say 3 into 6, it's 2. Then we say 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2?
4.
4, good. And then now we say 5 plus 4. Our answer is 9/6. That's how we got 9/6. So when you get 9/6, this, what do we call this fraction that is a 9 on top of a 6? What do we call it? What is it called? Anyone?
An improper fraction.
An improper fraction. Good, Shadrach. How do we simplify an improper fraction? Anyone who can help? Michaela? Yes, Michaela, how do we simplify 9 over 6?
You divide the denominator by the numerator.
Yes, we say 9 divided by 6. What is 9 divided by 6? What is 9 divided by 6? There should be a remainder. Yes, Takutwa?
1 remainder 3.
Yes, 1 remainder 3. Then your answer now becomes 1 whole and then 3 over 6. Do you see? Did we all manage to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That did you understand as well?
Yes.
Yes. So when you are when you're adding products that have different denominators, you look for the LCM, okay? The lowest common multiple. You look for the lowest common multiple by looking at the two denominators. If denominators are different, which number can these denominators divide into is 6. Then we say 3 into 6, 2, 2 times 2, 4. 6 into 6, 1, 1 times 5, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 over 6. When you get 9 over 6, you simplify it into a mixed number by dividing. 9 divided by 6 is 1, remainder 3 over 6. Okay? Yes, that is how we add fractions that have different denominators. Did you manage to understand?
Yes,
Yes.
Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Takul, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Michaela, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to upload work that is related to this. This was a recap lesson. I noticed as I was marking that people had a lot of challenges in doing this. That's why I decided to bring it back. And I am sure that today everyone has been alarmed and everyone now knows what to do, okay? Because I noticed that people had a problem with simplifying these sums. And with these sums at our level, no one is going to tell you to reduce to its lowest terms or to change it from a mixed number to it's going to tell you to change an improper mixed number. We have to do it ourselves, okay? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to give you time to say goodbye to one another before we close our lesson for today, okay? Bye, Michaela.
Bye, Michaela. Bye, teacher. Bye, Shadrach. Bye, everyone.
Tomorrow.
Bye,
Michaela.
teacher.
Bye, Michaela. Bye, teacher. Bye, Shadrach.
Bye,
Bye, teacher.
teacher.
Bye.
Teacher.
Bye, Shadrach. Bye.